Ever wondered how dry fruits can aid in your weight loss journey? Imagine enjoying a handful of delicious, nutritious, and yes, weight loss-friendly dry fruits. I know what you're thinking. Aren't dry fruits high in sugar and calories? Well, it's time to debunk that misconception. Sure, dry fruits have sugar and calories, but they're also packed with essential nutrients and fiber that can actually aid in weight loss when consumed in moderation. You see, the secret lies in balance and understanding what each dry fruit brings to the table. So put those weight loss myths aside. It's time we explore the delicious and nutritious world of dry fruits. Let's discover their unique benefits and how they can be a part of your weight loss journey without compromising your health or your taste buds. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of dry fruits and their role in weight loss. Starting with almonds, a powerhouse of nutrients. These oval-shaped, crunchy delights are not only delicious, but also packed with a host of health benefits, making them a perfect addition to your weight loss journey. Let's delve into the nutrient content of almonds. A single serving of almonds, which is about 1/4 of a cup, contains 6 grams of protein, 3.5 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of healthy fats. It's a compact package of essential nutrients that your body will thank you for. Why are these nutrients important, you may wonder? Well, let's start with fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. As it passes through your system, it slows down the digestion process, keeping you feeling full for longer. This means you're less likely to reach for that bag of chips or that chocolate bar between meals, reducing your overall calorie intake. Next up is protein. Protein is the building block of your muscles, skin, and hair. But did you know that it also plays a crucial role in weight loss? Consuming protein can increase feelings of fullness, reduce hunger, and help you eat fewer calories. This is because protein affects the hormones that control hunger and make you feel satiated. And let's not forget the healthy fats. Almonds are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to be heart healthy. These fats not only help lower bad cholesterol levels, but they also aid in weight loss by reducing belly fat. But there's more. Almonds also have a secret weapon when it comes to boosting your metabolism. They are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in converting food into energy, boosting your metabolism, and helping you burn more calories. So by incorporating almonds into your diet, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also fueling your body with essential nutrients that can help you shed those extra pounds. It's a win-win situation. So don't forget to add a handful of almonds to your daily diet. Next up, we have walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Now you might be wondering why omega-3 fatty acids are so special when it comes to weight loss. Well, let me enlighten you. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of essential fat that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. They're known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. You see, chronic inflammation in the body can often lead to weight gain and difficulties in shedding it off. By incorporating foods rich in omega-3s, like walnuts, you're essentially helping your body to fight off this inflammation, making your weight loss journey a bit smoother. But that's not all. Omega-3 fatty acids also play a crucial role in managing hunger. Research has shown that they can help regulate the hormones that make you feel full or hungry. In other words, munching on some walnuts can help you feel satisfied for longer, reducing the chances of you reaching out for that unhealthy snack in between meals. Now let's not forget the other two powerhouses in walnuts, fiber and protein. Both of these nutrients are known for their appetite-controlling benefits. Fiber in particular slows down digestion, which means you'll feel full for a longer period. Meanwhile, protein reduces levels of ghrelin, a hormone that stimulates hunger, while boosting levels of peptide YY, a hormone that makes you feel full. So, as you can see, walnuts are not just any ordinary dry fruit. They're a trifecta of weight loss-friendly nutrients: omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They're the perfect snack to keep you satisfied, help manage your hunger, and assist in reducing inflammation, all of which are key to a successful weight loss journey. Consider incorporating walnuts into your meals for a healthy weight loss journey. Whether you're adding them to your morning oatmeal, tossing a handful in your salad, or simply snacking on them plain, you're doing your body a favor. So go on and give walnuts the recognition they deserve in your diet. Scene script. Let's not forget prunes, a fiber-filled snack. Prunes, often overlooked in the pantheon of nutritious foods, are a fiber powerhouse that can play a pivotal role in weight management. Let's take a closer look at what these humble fruits have to offer. Firstly, prunes are high in dietary fiber. Each serving of prunes contains about 3 grams of fiber, which is 12% of the daily value recommended by nutritionists. What does this mean for weight loss? Well, fiber is a nutrient that helps keep us feeling full for longer, which can help prevent overeating. In essence, the more fiber you consume, the less likely you are to reach for that extra cookie or bag of chips. But the benefits of prunes don't stop at keeping hunger at bay. Fiber also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It aids in regular bowel movements, which can help prevent constipation. Regular and healthy digestion is an essential part of any weight loss journey. After all, the body needs to efficiently process the food we eat and eliminate waste to function at its best. Moreover, prunes are also a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals. They contain vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. They are also packed with antioxidants that can help protect the body from oxidative stress, a key player in many chronic diseases. Indeed, prunes are a perfect example of why we shouldn't judge a book by its cover, or a fruit by its wrinkly skin. Despite their unassuming appearance, prunes are a nutritional powerhouse that can provide a multitude of health benefits, including aiding in weight loss. So how can we incorporate prunes into our daily meals? Well, prunes are versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes. They can be enjoyed as a snack on their own, mixed into breakfast oats, or even chopped and sprinkled on salads for a sweet and savory twist. A serving of prunes a day can be a simple yet effective addition to your weight loss diet. So, next time you're on the hunt for a healthy snack, don't overlook the humble prune. It could be the fiber-filled key to your weight loss success. To sum up, dry fruits can be your allies in weight loss. They are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can help you shed those extra pounds. Let's revisit our trio of powerhouse dry fruits. First up, we have almonds. Famous for their rich protein content, almonds are a great snack for weight loss. They keep your hunger pangs at bay, helping you avoid mindless snacking. Plus, their high fiber content aids digestion, further boosting your weight loss efforts. Next on our list are walnuts. Known for their abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts are a heart-healthy snack that can also support weight loss. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to increase satiety, helping you feel full for longer periods. This, in turn, can prevent overeating and promote weight loss. Last but not least, we have prunes. Prunes are high in dietary fiber, which can help control your appetite by making you feel full. They also have a low energy density, meaning they provide fewer calories than the same weight of other higher calorie foods. While these dry fruits are beneficial for weight loss, it's crucial to remember that portion control is key. Dry fruits are nutrient dense, which means they're also high in calories. Incorporate them into your diet in moderation, and you can reap the benefits without overdoing the calorie intake. And it's not just about weight loss. Integrating these dry fruits into your diet can also bring about a plethora of health benefits, from improving heart health to boosting brain function. So there you have it. Whether you're looking to lose weight or simply lead a healthier lifestyle, these dry fruits can be a valuable addition to your diet. Remember, a balanced diet is key to effective weight loss. So, make dry fruits a part of your balanced diet and embark on a healthier journey.